Hey, good morning. This is Derek Demore with Futures Demore and Futures Networks Live. We're going to recap the morning and hopefully get you positive points for breakfast on opening bell at 9:30. The proprietary signals were for a short, but we noticed that there was a lot of reasons to go long here. I did not. I wish I jumped on it. There was a lot of back and forth at the start, but there was a very short wick after the 3907 launch, and we ended up doing that. So could have made some really decent points, and I wanted to get in long, but I didn't. Then I did get in short at 0650. There were some reasons for that, kind of just above the 200 period, and there's a doji back here. So, and then I got DCA'd at 21. It turned around, I got out at the 200 period, and I should have let it just run because of this candlestick. Once it retouched the 200 on the bottom side, and you had the 89 crossing, probably a good signal to go back short. A little side note, one of our members, the proprietary signal man, mentioned that most likely it'll come back to the opening bell price when there's not a really confirmed trend, although we are starting to get a downtrend, it looks like, since the night. We usually come back to the OB, and he was correct on that. So very good, JB. So to go through the dailies real quick and just see where we're at, we had a pullback right to about 95, which is an old line in the sand. We'll see on the 4-hour. To me, it was going down maybe to 3,900, maybe to 3,890, and then retest the old all-time highs up at 3,959. So let's see, 4-hour, we're outside of a channel. We got to get back above the 3,907, the opening bell, and then hopefully launch for the rest of the day. So I'm just going to call it right now. I think we're in the mood. We had good economic news that we're going to test the old all-time highs or come close. Got to break the R1 first. Let's see the 60-minute. Got to get back above the 35 level, which I think it's all in the cards today. Nice pullback, 50%, 200 period. We're going to go long. So let's see what else. So on the MNQ and NQ, the NASDAQ, we're just a little bit worse off. We did have a bump above the 200. We had a very similar look. We've come down to break the 6 o'clock lows, which is very similar to, let's see, this look here. We have not, oh yeah, we did. We broke the 630 lows. So very similar looking chart. Are we going to have a turnaround? Let's see. Ooh, this is coming up. Let's see. We have a, oh, very similar. Let's draw a line right here and see where we're at. I like this. Oh, I really like that. So this also is looking long for the rest of the day. It's come down and kind of had its bottom. I'm hoping that we break. We got to break above the 46 level, which last night I thought once we broke the 40 it would go, but it didn't, because it went up first and then now it's come down. Now I think it's going to go back up. We'll see how that goes. Probably might be wrong on that call. And on the M2K, the RTY, which is the Russell 2000 futures, man, this chart looks a lot. It was looking so pretty to go long, 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 and now, I mean, this chart looks worse than the other two to go short, but we did hit the pivot point. We have come down and we're doing a turnaround. So let's just see longer term how we look. I was thinking that we were going to definitely last night potentially test and break the all-time high. But again, we needed the pullback first and then the launch. So same here. We haven't come quite down as far if you look at the dailies as the, oh, maybe we have. Hold on real quick. I'll draw this line and see where we're at. Yeah. All right. We've had a decent right down to the 64-ish. So if that's it, all-time highs are in the card. So we'll see. Thanks for joining Futures Demore, Futures Networks Live. Please join us. We'd love to have you contribute, learn how to trade futures, options, cryptos, stocks, and more. Have a great day.